to Awake TV. Today, I want to talk about my telepathic contact with Bashar during meditation. So, I was doing my daily morning meditation of Dr. Joe Dispenza's meditation. And what happened was during the meditation, I suddenly heard Bashar. He was saying something like, since we are all connected, and a being like Bashar is experiencing what I am experiencing through the connection, that makes them understand deeply about other beings. That's how they learn and expand, and also extend their energetic wire, to be more flexible and bendable. And whatever the experience we are going through, Bashar or other beings we are connected with are experiencing the same time, because we are energetically connected. What does it mean we are all connected? It's literally, we start out from all that is. Our souls are fragmented from all that is and spread around to zillions of all that is particles. That's who we are. So Bashar's particle and our particles that comes from same soul group. There are soul groups that you are specifically energetically close with, like an energetic family. And a lot of times those connections are made by you existing in that particular planet as an aspect of yourself. So by us going through our experience fully, we're giving our service to others, that including to someone like Bashar, for them to grow without experiencing 3D or 4D we are at, and understand about different species. So that's give them a new foresight to serve others. Yeah, basically, it's kind of encouraging to hear that Bashar or other beings are, well, they're not eavesdropping, but like they can feel through and experience through, because we're so connected with each other. And by us going through our lives, we are doing service to someone like Bashar, who is giving us a lot of good tips how to live on earth and how to evolve our souls and expanding our consciousness. Basically, the message was a lot of encouraging message, and the telepathic connection was about maybe less than 5 minutes. But that was kind of funny because he just interrupted my meditation and started talking about it. Bashar says, since you go up to certain frequency, we are always connected. So we can always connect with someone like Bashar or other beings. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys about today. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.